to add a MX record in cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. MX record, Mail Exchange Record, specifies a mail server responsible for accepting email messages. You can add an MX record using the cPanel Zone Editor option. Log into your cPanel account and you will see this page. In the Domain section, click on the Zone Editor icon. Under Actions, click on the MX Record button for the respective domain. In the priority field, enter the integer. For example, 0. In the destination field, enter the domain name. For example, engagebranding.com. Click on the Add an MX Record button. That's it, you have successfully added an MX record in cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.